This video is for lesson 4.2 and it covers uh, the standard solving equations with variables on the same side. So here are a couple of examples. I'm going to resize this so I have plenty of room to do my work. Okay, the key to solving equations of all different types is to use inverse operations, which are just opposites, to eliminate terms until we're left with just our variable. So if we see here, there are a couple things hooked onto the x. I have a times 5 here and a plus 3 here. So I'm going to use my opposites, my inverse operations, to eliminate the constant term, which is the one without a variable. I would subtract 3 from the plus 3, but we have to balance that out. An equal sign says that both sides are the same. So if I take 3 away from the left side, I have to take 3 away from the right side to maintain a balance. So on the left I have 5x, because the 3 is now gone, and 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so now I have a multiplication here, and that's 5 times x, and I use the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I divide both sides by 5. At this point you have the option, you can do 4 divided by 5 and get 8/10 as a decimal, or in most cases it's okay just to leave it as a fraction 4/5. Alright, let's look at one more example here. Alright, in this example, here's our variable, the letter p, and I have an addition hooked onto it and a multiplication. I've got to get rid of those things using my inverse operations. I have negative 13 minus 5, which gives me negative 18. If you have any trouble with that, go back and look at your integer rules to remind yourself how that works. And I bring down the 9p. Now this is multiplication. 9 times p equals negative 18. So the opposite of multiply is divide. Divide both sides by 9. And I end up with p equals negative 2. And I know negative divided by positive is negative. And again, that is solving equations with variables on the same side.